Hey everyone, I'm Saimud and welcome back to Dataaspirant YouTube channel. Have you ever had a mind-blowing conversation with ChatGPT or tossed a tough question to Siri and nailed its response instantly? Felt like magic, right? This magic has a name. It's called large language models. In short, we call LLMs. They're behind your favorite chatbots, your stunning AI-generated art, and they're completely transforming the tech world as we know it. But what really going behind the scenes? Today we are lifting the curtains to reveal exactly how these powerful LLM models will work. Stick around entire the video because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the inner workings of LLM, you'll see exactly why they're game changers for developers, creators, writers and artists. Buckle up, things are going to be a bit technical in the middle of the video, but don't worry, I'll try to make it as super fun as possible. Ready to decode this buzzword? Let's dive in. If you're new to the video, hit subscribe and the bell icon for many more amazing content like this. What exactly is an LLM? An LLM or a large language model is type of artificial intelligence neural network trained on massive amounts of text data to understand and generate human-like language. Think of it as a highly advanced test prediction mission like your phone autocomplete. When we say large language model has trained on massive amounts of training data, think of it as like something like imagine you're reading the entire internet, books, articles, code, social media posts, and then learning the patterns and relationship between these words. That's what LLM does. Now let's decode each word of large language model. The first part, large, it isn't for a show. These models have billions, sometimes even trillions of parameters. These parameters are essentially the knobs and dials the model used to learn and represent the complex relationship and perform sophisticated tasks. In the following sections of this video, let's examine these parameters for all the most popular LLM models. Now, coming to the language model part, which means its primarily focus is understanding and generating human language. It learns to predict the next word in a sequence. That's what it's trained for. Things like filling in a missing words, language translation, and even generating creative text formats like poems and codes. Now that we learned what large language model is, let's understand the inner working process of LLMs. Under the hood, LLMs rely on neural networks with billion, even trillions of parameters. They have trained using deep learning, especially a method called transformer architecture, which enables them to understand context and relationship between the words. Now, I don't want to bore you with the nitty-gritties of transformers. Unless you guys want a deep dive video in future, do let me know in the comments. In the video, we can discuss what transformer is, what is encoder-decoder architecture, what is only decoder or only encoder architecture. We'll dig deeper into that essence of transformers. Do let me know in the comment section. But for now, the core idea is that the models pay attention to the different parts of the input sequence when processing. Think of it like when you're reading a sentence, when you get a specific word, your brain doesn't just consider that word in isolations. It looks at the words around to understand the context. The transformer architecture allows the LLMs to do the similar but on a very massive scale of data. The training process itself is called supervised learning. This means the model learns from the vast amount of text data without needing explicit labels like supervised learning. For example, it might be given a sentence with a missing word and tasked to perform by predicting what that word is. By doing this activity millions and billions of times, it learns the underlying structure and understands the pattern of the language. This massive scale of data and computation is what allows these models to achieve impressive feats in understanding and generating human-like text. Now, let's quickly learn about some of the popular LLMs. The first one is GPT series from OpenAI. It's a proprietary and multimodal. Multimodal means they can understand text, images, audios. Also, they can generate output in all these formats with over 175 billion parameters. So OpenAI or like ChatGPT or GPT models known for its powerful natural language understanding and generation capabilities. It has seen multiple iterations like GPT-3, GPT 3.5, which powers integrated in ChatGPT. You can access through ChatGPT UI and all. And the most recent one is ChatGPT 4o. GPT excels in creative writing, content generation, and code assistance and conversational AI. You can access this with API calls, and also you can use Chat GPT interface. So the other one is DeepSeek R1, developed by DeepSeek company. It's an open source with 671 billion parameters and mixture of expert models optimized for reasoning and efficiency. DeepSeek R1 is relatively new compared to the other LLMs, but highly capable of multimodal model. It's designed to handle a wide range of tasks, including text understanding and generation, image understanding, and potential other modalities. It has generated attention for its strong performance in various benchmarks, or even surpassing more established models in some specific areas. DeepSeek APIs or else established effectiveness and powerful AI models. Like any other LLMs, you can access it through APIs and with the chat interface. The third one is Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. It was developed by Anthropic company. It is ethically aligned and with extended thinking mode. Developed by company Anthropic, I mentioned, right? It focuses on AI safety and ethics. Cloud models are designed to be helpful, honest and harness, known for strong performance in reasoning and complex dialogues understanding and adherence in instructions, given instruction performing the specific tasks. So often highlighted for ability to handle nuanced conversations and creative tasks, especially for coding. It is good. Accessing it through APIs and also the web interface is also available. So the fourth one is Gemini series models from Google. So they are also multimodal text, image, code understanding with 1 million token context window, which is the largest in 2025. So Gemini comes with the family of multimodal models, meaning they can understand and generate across different types of information like text, code, audio, images, and video. Designed to highly capable and scalable with different versions of Gemini models like Gemini Pro, Gemini Flash, and optimized for various needs. They can easily integrated with Google products and available with API access too. So the last one is Llama by Meta, Facebook company. It's also open source with 70 billion parameters and 128 token context and multimodal capability like text and image for now, I guess. So Llama released a series of open source LLMs, making it accessible for research and commercial use. Known for its strong performance in language understanding, reasoning, coding, different parameter size also available, offering flexibility for various hardware and application requirements. Now let's quickly see the applications of LLMs. LLMs are transferring numerous industries. In healthcare, they help analyze patient records. In finance, they predict stock movements. In education, they provide personalized learning experience. The possibilities are endless. LLMs can assist with writing articles, generating marketing copies, even drafting creative stories. This doesn't mean they replace human writers, but they can be powerful tools for brainstorming and overcoming writer's block. Code generation is another exciting area for LLMs. Some LLMs can understand natural language instructions and translate them into a working code. Natural language to SQL is a good example, and also the latest vibe coding with different scripting applications. And let's not forget the information retrieval and summarization activities. LLMs can process a vast amount of information and extract the key insights by saving a lot of time for us. These are some just few examples. As LLMs are continuously evolve, right? We're likely to see them integrated into even more aspects of our digital lives. We covered all the perfect things. Now let's discuss the limitations of LLMs. One major concern is the bias. Because these models are trained on real world data, they can inadvertently learn and perpetuate existing socialistic biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outputs. Another challenge is the potential of misinformation. LLMs can generate very convincing but entirely false information, making it harder to distinguish between what is real and what not. And then there is an ethical debate around the job displacement and responsible development for this powerful technology. Plus, there is requires immense compute power to train these LLM models, raising concerns about the environmental impact and resource utilization like water and all. So coming to the future of LLM, the future will be incredibly exciting. Looking ahead, the field of LLM is evolving at incredible speed. We're seeing large and more capable models improving their reasoning ability and also efforts to address the current limitations. Expect to see even more seamless integration of LLM into our daily tasks and workflows, blurring the lines between human and artificial intelligence in communication and creation. Researchers are working on making LLMs more reliable, effective, and accessible. Inventions like retrieval augment generation (RAG) for better fine tuning, and also open source models are coming in way forward. So to recap, here are the things to remember about large language models. They trained on massive amount of data, and to learn the complex patterns, we have billions of parameters for different models. From architecture wise, it uses the transformer architecture with the self-supervised learning. And also we discussed about the different ranges of applications where we can use, and also we highlighted about the popular LLMs, their parameters and what are their key characteristics. We discussed about that, and also from future wise, right, where the future will look like for LLM. That's what we discussed. So understanding LLM is become increasingly important for anyone working or like anyone interested in the technology. They're not just a passing clouds, they represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with computers and information. So it's an essential skill for everyone now. So what are your thoughts on LLM? What kind of applications you are excited or concerned about? Do let me know in the comment section. So I would love to hear your perspective and share my ideas over there. So that's the world of LLM, powerful, exciting, and ever evolving. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about AI and other tech topics, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We got more deep dives on AI topics, especially LLMs, agents and all. So they're coming on the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next amazing video. Thank you so much.